Dito'y apo ket dakkel nga dakkel nga improvement iti health services tayo apo because mai-serve idtoy digijay laboratories that are needed for diagnostic purposes apo instead of going to other clinics already adun to availability na idtoy ti super health centers tayon like for example yung x-ray, yung ECG apo and all the complete blood chemistries needed for the senior citizens ken dito super health center to ba agbalin to pay nga birthing facility apo mabalin pay nga digiti minor surgery mabalin pay paagdait and all so detoy apo danto pay imaging aside from DJ X-ray danto pay ultrasound nan so you could come to the super health center for the diagnostic purposes and this is a PhilHealth accredited apo and for the consulta e-consulta program of the PhilHealth
24 hours po.
24 hours po.